I will do the petals using two different stitches, buttonhole stitch and long and short stitch, and I have used two different colors of thread. So buttonhole stitch, I'll start from here, just pick it up from here, take the thread around the needle and pull up the needle. Do not leave too much gap. That's all. For this center portion over here, I am going to do long and short stitch. I'll start from the center, pick up a little bit from here, again cross to this side and pick it up from here. That's all. Long and short stitch I am going to do. This is how I am going to fill up this portion over here. First I am going to do the border of the leaf. Simple, just take a little bit from here and pick up on this line and pull up the thread. It is like buttonhole stitch, but I have left a lot of gap. For the border of the leaf, I am going to do like this. Take slanting stitches, that will look better. And leave little bit of gap between two stitches. I am going to do this for this side and the other side of the leaf also. After you finish this line, just put the needle down. That's all. After completing both these lines, I have come to the center line. For the center line, using the same color thread, I am going to do simple chain stitch. One line of chain stitch. And for all the stitches, I am using 3 strands of thread. Just one line of chain stitch. That's all. A simple stitch. After completing this line of chain stitch, I have taken another shade of thread. Start from here, not through the cloth, but under the chain stitch which you have done. Take the thread, needle through it, come to the other side, put the needle down. Again, you come up from this side, again take the needle under the chain stitch which you have done and put the needle down. This is the way I am going to fill up the leaf. Very simple. After completing the petals, I will do the border using back stitch. Simple. Just go up in front, pick up the needle, again come back and go up in front, then go down, and then we will do this side. The same way we are going to do. Go back, come back in front, go back once again, and that is the way I am going to do the border for all the petals. After completing the border, now this portion also I am going to do buttonhole stitch. Between these two lines also I will do buttonhole stitch using black thread. That's all. After completing this, I will fill in this using French knot. Take the thread round the needle. I have taken it 4 times and just pull the needle down. Again, you pick it up from here. Take the thread round the needle at least 4 times and put the needle down. That's all. This is how I am going to fill in this part. Again, put the needle up, put the thread round the needle 4 times and put the needle down. That's all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe.